everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to work the Tabata app. Now, the Tabata app is used to time your workouts when you want to do a high intensity interval training workout where you're working hard for a certain amount of seconds and then you have a rest period. So when you go into your phone, you're going to go into the App Store and then put in the words Tabata. If you could just do Tabata or Tabata Timer, and then you'll get all these options right here. I have this one. This is the one I prefer only because I'm used to it. So I will show you what that looks like in my phone and teach you how to do the settings on that. So when you get into the Tabata app, let me show you again slowly. There it is right there, okay? You hit your settings. See this initial countdown? It says 7 seconds. I set that for 7 seconds to give myself 7 seconds to get started on the workout. So then I know that when I hit the timer, I can't do it from that angle, sorry. I will have 7 seconds to get to the exercise. I don't bother with the warm-up interval, the exercise interval, that's the important one right there, the exercise and the rest. So you can change the time. Here's the rest interval. So whatever you want to do for a rest interval is there. And the number of sets. Those are the three most important. The interval, the rest, and the number of sets. How many times do you want to do this? And then it goes into cycles. So say where you were to do like let's see, 6 sets. And you wanted to do a number of cycles, you would do that right there. So then you hit the check mark. Hit the check mark. Now you're ready to go, except for advertisements. So you're ready to go after that. And if you guys have any questions about it, just give us a call and we'll be happy to help you out. Bye, have a great day.